darlings. It's me, Bubbala. I'm hiding underneath the table because Sandy's supposed to be arriving soon. Rose and I don't think you can see her. Can you see Rose down here? Say hello. Anyway, I'm so stressed out all day. I've taken the cigarette out of my jewelry box I've had hidden there for the last 20 years. Don't tell Lovey. And then I have some Jameson here to calm my nerves. So I'll be here under the table till Sandy comes and goes. Maybe Lovey will come under here and play a game with me later. I'll check in with you, all of you, Bubbalas. Be careful out there. Don't go out there. People talking about going to the corner store. They're not open. Stay at home. Make something out of your refrigerator. I'll talk to you later. Love you.